on today's video, we are going to be unboxing our December 2020 Boxycharm Premium Box. You guys, I actually have used a lot of the items in here. However, I did do a separate video using nothing but Boxycharm items. So make sure to stick around, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on when that video goes up. I have a lot of thoughts, guys. So like I said, today's video is going to be the unboxing of Boxycharm. That blurred together. Let me retry that. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of our Boxycharm Premium Box for December 2020. So before we jump into the video, guys, as always, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. Your girl was feeling extra today, and I put a couple curls in my hair. It's that Dyson air curl wand, whatever it's called. You guys, it's pretty doggone amazing. You can get it on sale. I saw that they had a 20% off. I tangent over here, guys. I tangent. So judgment free zone. I'll get to that point too. Anyways, guys, don't forget to use your Rakuten because Dyson had, I think it was like 10% cash back on your orders of all the Dyson products. So anyways, I digress. I'll have a link below if you guys are interested in signing up for Rakuten. It's totally free. You get cash back, sign up bonus, all of that. Not sponsored, but anywho, like I said, if you're new here, you guys, my name's Rhonda, and over here we embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we have a good time playing in makeup, talking about whatever. Because honestly, guys, this is like my release from reality, I guess you could say. Like, I forget about the things that are going on around us, and I just like to sit here and talk with you guys and show you guys what's in my premium box and all of that. So if this sounds like a channel for you, I'd love for you guys to stick around. I also have a second channel where I talk even more, only in my PJs over there. I talk about my Peloton journey, all of that on my channel called Hotmess Momma Vlogs. And I also, if you guys would, I'm trying super duper uber hard to get the 10K swipey uppy over on Instagram. So if you could give your girl a follow, I'd greatly appreciate it. And if you guys are a long time viewer, you guys know we do Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter over here with my daughter Haley, who also has a YouTube channel. So if you guys are gonna gripe that I just talked way too much for that intro, please don't. I've been kind of like going through it, and so to sit and talk and have fun with you guys in the comment section is much nicer than to, like, you know, cry when I see some of the mean comments. Okay, keep it nice, or keep it cute, or put it on mute. Okay, let's go ahead and jump right in. That was the longest intro ever. Like I said, we're unboxing our premium box for Boxycharm. This box is $35 a month. You do get to customize one item in here, and the choices that we had for December were absolutely amazing. So before I carry on, my Luxe and my premium did ship together, so I don't have the actual weight, so I have to use my mail scale. So my box has a total weight of 2 pounds 5.7 ounces. So like I said, because they ship together, I don't have like the FedEx kilograms, whatever it is, for you guys. So jumping right into the box, this is what it looks like in here. Okay, this is how you always know what box you have. It'll tell you right here, so thanks for that. You're gonna see a little card in here. Every single month we do have a theme, and this month's theme is bubbles and glitz. And by the way, this is my PR premium box. I do purchase a premium box and a base box. I have not received mine yet, but when I do, I'll be coming back. I do a ton of Boxycharm unboxings, guys, because this is predominantly how I stock my makeup. I've done so much less shopping because of these subscription boxes. Okay, so the first item in here that I wanted to show you guys is one of the choice items. Now, our choice items for our December box were Viseart palettes. Now, like I said, this one was sent to me in PR, so this is the Neutral Matte palette. I'm not going to open it because I did purchase it in Boxy pop-up. Now, these have a retail value of $80, and like I told you guys in sneak peek spoilers and all of that, I know aesthetically a lot of people are like, that is no, that's a no for me. Trust me. If you guys love buttery, easy to blend, easy to build up eyeshadows, you are going to love the Viseart formula. So this is what the neutral palette looks like. And it's absolutely gorgeous. You get 12 mattes in here. Now again, this was a choice item. So the other item you had a choice was a more colorful palette, and that's the one I did end up picking up. So in my premium box, that's the one you guys will see me unbox. But one thing I wanted to let you guys know, if you look inside of your box right here on the lip, you're gonna see you do get a 20% off coupon off of Viseart. So if you want to purchase some more Viseart products, which are absolutely amazing, they're actually pro makeup artist palettes, then you can save 20% on your purchase over there. So this is a palette that I have been reaching for a lot because it's simple, it's easy, you don't have to put much thought into it. Everything blends out. I do have a shade from this palette on my eyes today. Like I said, I did a full Boxycharm look, so there's a bunch of different things on my eyes, so we'll talk later about that. Actually, no, we're not. No, we're not. Judgment free zone, period. So like I said, this is the neutral mattes, and it's the 12 pan eyeshadow palette. It's a palette that embodies 12 matte shadows, ideal for accentuating, sculpting, and creating striking reflective beauty. The palette is it's absolutely wonderful, and like I said, I picked that one up during pop-up and I love it. The next item that I'm going to show you guys is actually one that I have on today, so I can give you guys a little review on this particular palette. This is the True and Luscious Lucky Glow Bronze and Highlight Palette. Now this does have a retail value of $46, and I've never heard of this brand before. This is a very large palette, and look at the inside, guys. Even the pan sizes are huge. Now, what I can tell you guys is I did use and mix both of these bronzers. Now, I do not have any sunless tanner on. I have no tan. This is just my natural coloring. And I will say, I thought that these bronzers were absolutely beautiful. They're very light and they do build up very nicely. However, what I will say is I do feel like if I did have a tan or my sunless tan on, I don't think these are going to show up as well on my skin tone. So I don't know if there are different variations out there for deeper skin complexions or not. But like I said, I feel like if you have a darker skin tone than me, I don't know how well these are going to show up. Could I be off? Absolutely. I'm not a professional. I just play in makeup and it's amazing. So anyways, and I did mix these two together for a nice subtle highlight. I did kind of calm it down because I was like, shiny light bulb on my nose, you know? So, and as far as blush, I did not end up using this because I did pull from a different palette in the video that is coming up where I used nothing but Boxycharm items, and I have to say I did really like this palette, but my only is if you are darker than me, I don't know how well this is going to show up on your skin. But overall, formula wise, I love the formula. It's sheer but buildable and very easy to work with. The next item in my premium box is the Crown All Eyes on You 5-piece Luxe brush set, and I forgot to open this up, to be honest with you guys. I'm pretty set in my ways when it comes to brushes, but these actually look really good. So this is what they look like. They have a white handle, nice, clean, and sleek. And then, what is that called? The ferro is kind of like a rose gold. And you probably can't see the brushes because of the plastic. Am I right? I think I will probably save these for a giveaway, because like I said, I have so many brushes, but these are nice, and as we know, Crown brushes are great brushes. A majority of my brushes, if not pretty much almost all of my brushes, are because of subscription boxes. That's how I really grew my collection. So a little information about this 5-piece brush set. It does have a retail value of $34.95. It's a 5-piece set that provides all the necessary tools for the application of all eye makeup looks. And with Hailey being a cosmetologist that also likes to do makeup, I'm thinking she's probably really gonna like this brush set. So let her put that in her kit. The next item in here is by Elemis, and as you know, Elemis is an amazing skin care brand. I actually I have on the Elemis Superfood Glow priming moisturizer, which is another one that we will see in the December base box. You guys, I have this on today and it's amazing. It is just, anywho, this is the Peptide Plumping Pillow Facial, and this is a hydrating sleep mask for thirsty skin. Peptide 4, Speedwell Extract Star. I don't know any of that, but it plumps, replenishes, and hydrates, and it's got a hefty price tag. Are you guys ready? This has a hefty price tag of $65, and again, this box is $35. Y'all know we already done made our money back, you know? So little information about this. It says it's a super cooling gel mask. It's clinically proven to lock in moisture, leaving skin looking younger and feeling plump with moisture upon waking. Who doesn't love that? I'm 42 years old. I want all the moisture I can get. It's funny because in my 20s, I was like matte central. Like I wanted no oils on my skin whatsoever. Wow, have the times changed. Okay, so the next item in here is 2 masks by Glam Glow. I do like seeing Glam Glow in our boxes. Honestly, I kind of feel like this is something that I would think we would see in our base box, but I'm not mad about it just because, like I said, Glam Glow does have great products. This is the Eye Boost Reviving Eye Mask, and I have to say, this sold out insanely fast on add-ons. Today I'm filming this, it's December 7th, and this sold out insanely fast, so this must be absolutely amazing. And I noticed this one sold out as well. This is the Glow Lace Radiant Boosting Hydration Sheet Mask, and again, both from Glam Glow, both sold out really quickly. They have a retail value of $18. I'm not for sure if it's $18 a piece, but I'm just gonna count it as $18 for both of these. So anyways, Party Over Dullness. The Eye Boost Metallic Masquerade Mask addresses the entire eye area to revitalize, revive, and energize with hyaluronic acid, skin smoothing, algae, and mushroom extract to reduce the look of dry, fine lines. Now I see why it sold out so fast. Had I actually read that, I would have snagged some myself. Gosh darn it. The Glow Lace Sheet Mask uses the power of hyaluronic acid, green tea, and caffeine to deliver hydration and re-energize the skin, formatted in 2 pieces so you can get the perfect fit. Again, that would have been really nice. I should have read it. The next item is It's So Big, the Volumizing Mascara by Elizabeth Mott. I have not tried this. I actually have on today the Tarte Man Eater Mascara, so I am gonna like set this to the side. I'm not gonna open it up, but this does have a retail value of $20. It's a volumizing mascara of your dreams. The Make a Volume Long Last Matte Curl Mascara lasts all day with no smudge. It features the flexible tubing polymers that coat each lash, making it water, tear, and sweat resistant to hold lashes in place all day. That's cool, but like I said, today I have on my Blink Black Primer and then my Man Eater mascara by Tarte, which was one that I received in the base box. So I will definitely, like I said, put that to the side. So that is everything in my premium box for December 2020, and everything in here. Again, remember, this box is $35. You did get to customize 1 item in here, and the grand total of everything retail value came to $263.95. So let's talk about this box and my thoughts. Because, and actually, if you guys are curious to see this in action, I actually have a dedicated video using this and the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsession palette. These are both palettes we're seeing in our December boxes up on my channel. I'll try and remember to either link it up here at the end or down in my description box. But this to me was the showstopper for this box. I just think it's an amazing palette. The quality, I mean, it's Viseart, so we just know it's good. But everything in the box, I'm actually pleased with. I mean, like I said, I'll be gifting these over to Hailey to put into her makeup kit. But I think that if you are trying to grow your brush collection, you're gonna love these because we know crown brushes are great. Elemis, you can never get mad about Elemis skincare. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. I'm excited about the Glam Glow, and you guys, like I said, I loved this palette as well. I like the fact that I got an eye palette and a face palette, and I got skincare. So I think overall this box was perfect. It wasn't too makeup heavy, it wasn't too skincare heavy, it was just right. And yeah, I like it. So let me know you guys' thoughts down below. As far as the variation of this box, it does say it is variation 2. You're going to find that down here on the corner of the back of the little Bubbles and Glitz postcard. And like I said, retail value $263.95 for a $35 box. I think that that was a heck of a deal. I'm super excited to see January's premium base boxes, you guys. I just feel like they're going out with a bang, and they're coming in with a bang. Like Boxycharm, I'm really excited. So anyways, guys, if you are wanting to sign up for Boxycharm, I do have a link in my description box. I'll also put it in the comments section. It's an affiliate code, just letting you guys know, or an affiliate link, so I will earn a little bit of a commission. So thank you guys in advance if you do decide to use my link. I do appreciate it. Like I said, give me a follow over on Instagram. I would greatly appreciate it. There's also a giveaway on our channel. It ends December 12th, and there's also a giveaway over on Instagram. You have to be subscribed and following me for those. I'll have a link to the video and to the post down below for you guys. And I think that's it. Don't forget to follow Hailey's channel, check out my second channel, and until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.